This video is going to show you how I'm taking a real product, a product that I bought, and turned it into a real product. I took PLR. It was plain, ordinary. I jazzed it up. I'm going to show you how I did this, and I'll do this quickly and easily. Now, this video will be about taking the PLR and creating a real product out of it. Tomorrow, I hope, I'm going to show you how to make the sales page, put it on ThriveCart, and start making sales. So if you want to get this, watch tomorrow's video, and there's a way to get it. And I'll put a nice coupon in there for you. People are emailing me and saying, oh, I thought it was going to be harder than this. Because you probably have, whether you're a PLR person or an internet marketer, you probably have stuff like this on your computer already. You don't need more to buy. Just make sure it's good PLR. And if you want to know what good PLR is, I'll put a link over my head for a video about that. But I bet you probably have something on your computer that you can change. Watch this video and you'll see how I'm doing this, and you could do this yourself. And then when it's time to sell it, I believe it'll be tomorrow's video when I show you how I use ThriveCart. So I'm going to speed this up, make it interesting, and I'll even put links in the video for the different areas where you could just click on and just pop over to that area. We'll see what happens. I'm Bryan Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. Be sure to get that checklist. It's valuable. Also, you'll get on my list. You'll find out what is going on in this business and how to succeed with PLR, internet marketing, affiliate marketing. This channel is working for a lot of people. They're learning a lot, and they're really happy that somebody's doing this. So watch these videos, get on my email list, get that checklist. All right, so let's make a product. All right, so I'm going to create a product, a new product out of this PLR that I bought a while ago. Digital Product Creation Secrets. That's the name of my product. And this came with some bonuses that I didn't like. So it came with docs, the PDF, graphics, license. Here's the license. It tells me what I can do, what I can't. And I have the sales copy if I want to use it. So because I have a Mac, I don't like using Word. I like Pages. And this is what it looks like in Word, and this is what it looks like on Pages. And I even like it better with Pages. It's easier for me. That's what I'm going to use. I'm going to add some graphics, probably with Canva. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do this, but follow along, and I'm going to speed this up so this doesn't turn into a really long, drawn-out thing. I'll speed it up. You'll see what I'm doing. I'll put some fun music. I might stop partially to explain a few steps. We'll see what happens. Let's have a lot of fun. And I'm going to make a product. This is where I got some resources from another product that I made, and I just copied, pasted, and it's done. Just fix it up a little bit, and it's done. I got a resources page, and easy peasy. Right now, I'm going to use Grammarly to fix all the misspellings and the other items that I want to make this, to change to make this a better product. So I'm only going to do this for a few seconds, and I'll segue into the next step. Okay, I think I finished the editing with Grammarly, made sure that the headlines are the right ones, and this part is done. So I'm going to use Canva, and I already did this so you don't have to see all this. So I have the images, and I'm going to put these in the chapter headings just to make it prettier. How's that? All right, here we go. And the product is done. So what do? Export to PDF. Downloads. Export. And look at this beautiful product. On the table of contents, look at this. Part 1, click, there it is. Beautiful. How hard was that? It wasn't hard at all. And all of that is done. I got my link there. And resources, at the very end, I would highly suggest getting ThriveCart. Lifetime account, useful resources, and these are the ones I use so much. So get them, you'll love them. And now you know how to go from this to that. Easy peasy. Next, I'm going to make a sales page. I'll probably do this tomorrow, to take this. I'll take some of this copy and put that into ThriveCart that I just showed you a few minutes ago. I use ThriveCart. I don't need a sales page on WordPress or anything, because I could do that on ThriveCart. And I'll have a product. I'll attach it to Stripe or PayPal, get customers, make money, and you can do this too. I know, I say it a lot. This was simpler than you probably thought, right? This is not hard to do. All right, so watch this video again. Make sure what I'm doing. Stop the video to see the different steps, because I really sped it up. And next, I'm going to put up a sales page on ThriveCart. And so you don't need a website or anything if you use ThriveCart. There's links for that down in the description. Get your checklist, get on my email list. Tomorrow I'll put the ThriveCart together so people can buy it. I'll put a coupon for you to get a nice discount. And the reason I'm not just giving this stuff away is because I want you to have some value to it. So even if it's a couple bucks, there's some value to it. And you're learning how to do this. You're finding out how to take your own PLR, the PLR that you already bought, how to use it, turn it into something. This is gold. This is how people do this in this business. So be sure to see tomorrow's video on how to do the ThriveCart system. I am Bryan Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.